question 7 sets now. We have part A union B. So A union B is very straightforward. All you need to do is to highlight the area within both sets. Okay, the second one is a bit more challenging. A less B intersection C. So when you're doing the combinations, maybe look at the part in the brackets first where you have the intersection. Okay, so you can see there A intersection B is that region. Now let's look at A, and we will subtract A intersection B from A. Okay, and you can see there is one part then omitted there in the center. Okay, let's go down to the next one. P and Q are two other sets. P is a subset of Q. Well, a subset means that all of P, all the values in P are also in Q. So that means that they must be in the center here at P intersection Q. Any value in P must be here. Okay, so we want to write X in the region where they must contain no elements. So if everything in P is in Q, then this part here would be null. So that's where you write the X. Okay, so let's go down to the final part, B part 2. Let's read the three of these statements. Okay, so this symbol here means it's the cardinal number. It looks like a hashtag, and it means that how many elements, okay, are in the set. So the number of elements in P is less than or equal to the number of elements in Q. Okay, that's a choice. The number of elements in P is equal to the number of elements in Q. Maybe that's possible. And then would it be possible that the number of elements in P is greater or equal to the number of elements in Q? So let's remember that all the elements of P are in Q here. Okay, so if this part over here, Q only, was 0, then the number of elements in P would be equal to the number of elements in Q, because everything would be in the center. Okay, but there is another option. If you go out here and there are some elements, then that would mean that the number of elements in P would be less than Q, because Q would have the elements in here, P, and also the additional elements out here. So P would be less than or equal to Q. So this is the answer. So there's elements in the center. So therefore that's the most obvious and correct choice.